Okay, now, so listen. These plates, honey. Honey, these plates, honey. Honey, these plates, honey. Oh, what a gorgeous setting. Oh, what a gorgeous setting. So, I am showing you this gorgeous tablecloth. Oh, what a gorgeous setting. And that roast pink with the pattern. Gorgeous. What a gorgeous setting. Honey, what a gorgeous setting. And honey, what a gorgeous setting. Look at that. Honey, what a gorgeous setting. Honey, what a gorgeous setting. The placemat. The charger. I don't want to be confused here. And the plate. The dinner plate, honey. The dinner plate. Let me pull it up. Honey, the dinner plate. Honey, the dinner plate. Honey, the dinner plate. Gorgeous. Honey, it's gorgeous. Honey, the salad plate. Honey, the salad plate. Honey, the salad plate. How gorgeous this is. Honey, it's from Battery Barn. Honey, it's from Battery Barn. It is so gorgeous. I love it. And then, honey, the napkin. Honey, the napkin. Honey, the utensil. Honey, the utensil. Honey, the stemware. Honey, the stemware. Honey, the gorgeous setting. I just love the setting. Now, remember my motto, layer your look. Layer your look and you will never regret it. So I have the tablecloth, the utensil, the placemat, the charger, dinner plate, and salad plate with the napkin, utensil, and the stemware. It is just gorgeous. Honey, it's gorgeous. Honey, it's gorgeous. I just love how it looks. Honey, it's gorgeous. So this week I chose roast pink and teal. Kind of want to look like blue together for this setting because the dinner plate has all of these colors in. Now, I didn't want to explode it with every single color that's in there, but I wanted to make an impact with the with two vibrant colors, and that's the rose pink and the teal. And I think I did just that. I think I done just that. And honey, I changed this. So I have 4 teal salad plate, which is so gorgeous, right? And then I put in 4 roast pink salad plate. It makes things a little interested and it shake them up a little bit. So what you can do is you can have 4 girls close by each other, right? And you know the queens sit at the head seat, right? And then 4 boys 4 boys at the other end, right? With the king sitting at the head seat. So the girls could talk, about the boys, and the boys could talk about football or sports, right? Isn't that interesting? It's gorgeous. I love this setting. The salad plate is from Pottery Barn, and the dinner plate is from TJ Maxx. And I always say mix your aesthetics. Go to an antique store, go to 3 different stores, and find what you like, and then implement it. And another thing that I did was, my tablecloth is not long enough, and I extended it, not with white but with green. Now, green is within that dinner plate, but I like how it looks. I like that it's eclectic. I like that it looks like it's from an antique store. I like that when you're far from it, it does not look like it's well put together. And I like that when you come closer to it, you see the vision. Sometimes you have the vision, but if you don't write it down, you don't get it. And once you write it down, once you implement it, and once it gets close to it, there you go. You find it and you're like, oh, or you see it and you're like, oh my goodness, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I needed to say. That's what everybody likes. I just love how this table pulled together this week. I love it. And I want to stand back. Now, I am in front of the cabinet, which I can turn around in a minute. But this is as far as I can get to get close to this table and give you a backdrop kind of view. And then this is like a top view of some of the elements. And I'm gonna go around. I used to do that. There's a charger on the seat, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be implemented. It has to be cohesively joined together. It doesn't have to match, but it has to go. And that's how I do it. So guys, tell me what you do and how you do your table or your room, how you plan for it. Do you plan days in advance? And I'm going to show you a little bit of my dining room so that you can see this large cabinet in front of the table or behind the table. Definitely. The lighting is not perfect today, but the room is still just as gorgeous. And that's the backdrop. And as I go further out, that's the room. That is the room. And that's how it is. Okay. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell me how you feel about it. Tell me what emotion that comes to mind. Because sometimes you watch a video and instantly you get an emotion, So tell me your thoughts. All right? Peace.